First, what is business writing? Business writing is workplace writing, which is a form of technical writing. Workplace writing is generally persuasive writing. Example 1. A resume to persuade a potential employer to offer an interview. Example 2. A finance report to persuade employees to follow certain policies or procedures in order to improve performance or correct efficiency.
What is persuasive again? Kaya. In English, convincing. To convince. If you write a resume, see to it that you are writing a resume that is persuading to your employer. Bakit? Why? Bakit kailangan ma-convince sa inyong resume? Do you know the difference between the resume and the application letter? Wala. Wala? Hindi? Bakit mo sabi? Do you know the difference sa resume and application letter? Opo, hindi. Yes or no? Yes. But ang difference? Sige, what is the difference? Sa resume at application. Nag-guess mo ka ba? Yes.
Ang resume
Para matagaan ka sa ambatorio, A, B, C ka. Ang difference?
Ang resume ay mag-fix na nakakaluwa ang full information na organize sa iyong workplace, sa iyong mother.
Can you speak in English?
The resume ma'am is it's written about this also your name, your address, it's all about your information, personal information like numbers, email, father, while application letter
Yun
is
lang, sa resume. Persuade mo. Can you persuade your employer for all those information given? Like your name, your number, ano pa ito yung resume?
and also in it also nakakapaloob sa resume your skills like mga seminars, your skills like communication skills, like managing time, then on how you persuade the management.
Thank you. The most important thing there is your skills. Skills and your educational background. Ikaw yung naman tapos mo ma-apply ka manager, diploma, bagong high. And the application letter, what about application letter? Okay, next to Mr. Dito sa'yo, Anay. What about application letter? Huwag ka magsulat? Ay, huwag pa mo nag-try? Nag-sulat? Nag-try? Sige, nag-try na magsulat. Wala ka daw siya magsulat. Ulit! Pag-apply ka sa immersion, wala ka mo nagsulat? Nag-application? Wala ka niyo na? Ano na mapunta sa application? Your what? Your purpose? C for applying for a job. Ano iputang mo na sa imo ha? Purpose. To be a floor manager. O manager yan po na. Pero floor. Anong floor manager? Walang paso.